For our full chest lift, interlace your fingers, put your hands behind your head, and you should have your thumbs running down your neck. Bring your feet a comfortable distance away from you, and you're just going to pick up your head, and this is the last time that your head will touch the floor. So as you sigh out, you're going to send your gaze towards your pubic bone, roll your ribs to come up into your chest lift. Throw your hands behind your thighs, and you're going to pull your elbows wide to come a little bit higher. Stay up there, take both hands behind your neck, and you're going to slowly roll back down again. So we really want that difference in speed. Again, as you sigh, turn your ribs as you come up, throw your hands behind your thighs. Pull your elbows wide so you come up a little bit higher. Reach your hands behind your head, staying up, and then control the way down again. Remember, head's never touching the floor. Again, use that breath. Big sigh out. Throw your hands. Pull wide so we've got that wide collarbone. Keep your tummy dropping back and then slowly come back down again. We're going to try to do 8 to 12 of these. So you always want to feel that we're maintaining that mobility in your spine. That's how you get up. And then we're loading your abdominals as we come back down and up. And again, so if you need a little bit of a rest, you can put your head down. But the aim is to try to do 8 to 12 without your head going back to the floor. Keep your gaze coming towards your pubic bone as you lift, because that will protect the front of your neck. And really try to stay up. So the higher up you can stay, the more your mid and lower abdominals will work. Big breath. Make sure you're still breathing. Your neck should be nice and soft. We're going to do 2 more. Big sigh out. Feel your ribs turn. Throw your arms and pull. Hold. And slowly come back down again. This is going to be our last one. I've totally lost count. So if you want to do more, you can. But you're aiming for your 8 to 12 reps. Quality over quantity. And rest.